What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to see enemies easier in Battlefield RedSec. There are a few things you can adjust. Start by opening the options menu, go to HUD, then scroll down to the minimap settings. Set your minimap size to large and make sure the minimap background is at 100% so it's fully visible. Next, look for view distance on foot and increase it from 160 meters to 300 meters. This gives you more visual clarity from further away. Now go back to the top of the HUD menu and open Advanced HUD and Icon Settings. Make sure the big map is set to 100% as well. Then scroll down to Icons and Indicators and turn the intensity up to 100%. This makes everything solid and vibrant instead of washed out. For icon scaling, setting your friendly and squad icons around 135% works well. Going up to 150% can look a bit too large, but you can try it if you prefer. For enemy icons, increase the size to 150%, makes them extremely easy to spot, much larger and more noticeable on the minimap. You can also improve visibility through your color settings. Go back to accessibility, then color profiles and open the graphics section. Adjust the enemy color so it stands out more. A darker red works well if the default options are hard to see. You can experiment here until the enemies become more noticeable during gameplay. Try these adjustments out, they make a big difference in visibility. I hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.